Well, it's finally May 27th, 2023. It's our day. I didn't know what the date would be until May of 2022, but I knew this day would come the minute you and I snuck over to Pirate Island at the Alums Beach House. That might have been months and months before I proposed, but I knew right then that I was going to change your last name one day.
Today we step into the territory of God Almighty, the creator of everything that we know. The cool thing is that in this wedding that God performed first, all the animals were there, okay? They were there. So this is a beautiful picture.
You got it? Oh, good.
Morgan, I've prayed for this day for so long. I can't believe it is finally here. Can you believe that we are going to be husband and wife in just a few hours? Even though you drive me absolutely crazy, I couldn't imagine a more perfect man. Hi.
You're beautiful. I love you.
Thank you. I love you too.
Goodness.
Oh.
My baby girl.
Olivia and Michael, I love you with my whole heart. You're the most kind, thoughtful, loving, caring woman a man could ask for. I always knew I wanted a woman like you for the rest of my life. You are someone who holds me accountable. I can see it. And pushes me to be my absolute best. But most importantly, you do all of that with love. We're 36 days away, and I'm already tearing up thinking about you walking down that aisle, how stunning you're going to look, and how from that day on, I'll never not have you by my side. Life is going to be so much better. Can't wait for a lifetime with you. Let's do the damn thing, best friend.
Morgan, you may kiss the bride.
Don't look, don't look, don't look.
I love you so much.
Thank you for loving me so well. I can't wait to have babies with you and to grow old with you. Here's to forever. I love you, Libby.
I look at you, Olivia, and I just thank God for giving me you 26 years ago. And Morgan, I love you, brother. And son, thank you. Welcome to the family. I hear a cold beer calling my name.